Hi, how's everybody going? Today I'm going to talk about the master plan, and you will see here in landscape architecture we do a lot of this master plan, and usually when you look at them, they have kind of textures. See here the grassland have kind of textures down there, and also see here the forest lands. You can always see textures down there. Okay, so let me just introduce how they did that. I think what they do, they use patterns a lot. The way to do that is you just need to go to Google, for example, forest lands. You just search tree plant pattern, and you can see all this kind of plant image. Okay, plant view image you can take advantage of. Also, if you want grass, you just search grass pattern, and you can see a lot of plant view grass texture down there. Okay, so once you got texture image, you just open that image in Photoshop. Okay, so right now I have this tree forest land image, right? Then what you need to do is once you have that, we need to create a pattern from here. So what you do is just go to filter, go to others, and you go to offset. Okay, once you click that, just move this right up, move this right a little bit, and move down a little bit, and then you will sometimes you have seamless connection, then you don't have to do it. If there's a really strong edge in here, which means you need to make them have a nicer, better transition. So what I do is I just use this spot healing brush tool. I just drag, click here, so there should be smoother transitions in here. Just make the edge more blurred, things like that, and so there will be no big issues. Okay, when we create patterns with this. Okay, once we have that, what we do is really easy. We just use the selection tool, select the whole layer, and then just go to edit and define patterns. Okay, and then we can give them name like trees. Then we click OK. So once we have that pattern, in the other layer, I assume this is a forest lands I want to fill in. So what I do is I just open this adjustment layer, see here, and I just click pattern. Okay, then I can choose the color pattern I need. So this is the pattern I did before. I just click OK. So once I have this, see here, it's all filled with the image. Okay, I used before. Then what I do is I just go back to this layer and control and click this small image here and click OK. And then you see here all there's a selection about these fields. And then I just go back to the field layer, and what I do is instead of select the left icon here, I will select the mask on the right side. Okay, on the right side. Then what you need to do is you need to go to, because right now it's select this area, right? What I do is I wanna go to select and inverse. Okay, and then what I do is I just Alt delete to give all other area black color. Okay, then all other area are blocked. So basically that's what it was. And one thing really cool about the pattern is if you double click, see here, you can change the scale of it really easily. Okay, really easily, and then you just click OK. Then you will have that. Okay, and once you have that, you can easily, you can, for example, you can copy another layer. You can have two. You have multiple layers. This is the multiple patterns. One's here, one's there, right? So you can give different layer modes. For example, I can change to multiply or other kind of stuff. Darker color. I think multiply in this one's the best one I got. So you can give multiply, and if you want to do more, you can just for example this layer, right? You can actually go to filter, gallery, and you can give some artistic textures down there. Okay, all kinds of ways to do it. And for example, paint notes. I use that. Click OK, and you have like just kind of small textures you want. Okay, more abstract watercolor feel, and then you can, and then you give the ones you need. All right, give the textures you need. Okay, and you can change the shades of it. You know, things like that. Okay, so then you have a feel what it was. And then also you can use dodge and burn tool. For example, if you use burn and you know just give some on the edge, you'll see they have some shades down here. So somewhere is darker, somewhere is lighter, right? For example, dodge, you can make some the places lighter, right? So then you can have some like depths on your drawing. And this base level, you can hide it or you can show it. Okay, or you can just control view, change the color to the way you think you like. Okay, so a lot of ways to do changes. Okay, but I think this is a way to do it. Okay, so this is about today. Let me see you next time.